Hi, everybody. It's Mrs. O'Keefe. I just realized that it didn't play the rest of the review for you. So I'm going to finish up. I know that I ended with part B. So with part B, I know that I talked to you about this problem, but let me just go through it again in case anybody stopped it. But it says write and solve an equation to find the total cost of the keyboard and then explain why your answer is reasonable. So what they did actually was we know that the total cost of the keyboard was $105. Um, so when we take a look back up here and we say that they need to buy four of them, we know it's because it's three nieces, one nephew, so that's four. So the total cost is 4 times 105. We don't even need to estimate, and we find out the answer is $420. And again, here is the estimate. So we know 400 is close to 420 as opposed to the problem before that with the 200. So we can say, yes, the answer is indeed reasonable. Question 18, what is the product of 5 times 1,903? Again, you could do any process. You could do standard algorithm, you can do expanded algorithm, you can draw an area model, partial products, and get the answer of 9,515. How can you use mental math to find the product of 6 times 295? So again, if you wanted to just find the actual product, you could do it any way you want, and it would be 1,770. Now, what they did here is, because remember we said mental math should be something that you can figure out easily in your head. So 295 is close to or rounds to 300, okay? Now, when you think about it, 295, if I were to count up, that's 5 away. So if I were to find my estimate of 6 times 300, which would be 1,800, we know that that's pretty close to 1,770. However, to find the actual answer, look at what they did here. They subtracted 30. So this is where that compensation comes in. And again, we're going to spend a lot more time going over that. But the reason that it's minus 30 is because, like we just said, 295, 96, 97, 98, 99, 300, that's 5. So you might say, well, why is it 30 then if it's 5 away? Well, look over here. It's 6 fives. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, right? So 6 times 5 is 30. So we subtracted. The reason that we're subtracting is because if we add up, we're adding to get to 300. So the actual answer we have to subtract to get to 1,770. Question 20, select all the partial products for 8 times 321, excuse me. So 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 20 is 160, and 8 times 300 is 2,400. The final product from the partial products is 2,568. So I apologize that it was 2 videos and I don't know what happened there. So again, take a look at it. We'll go over this tomorrow before we take our tests, and that's it. So you guys have a great rest of your evening and see you soon.